everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about canning supplies. But first, if you're new to the channel or you just haven't had the opportunity to do it yet, so the subscribe button's down below here. Just go ahead and click the subscribe button, then ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a video. Doesn't mean you got to watch it, just that you get notified that I put out a new video. All righty? All right, canning supplies. Yes, there are still a little bit of shortages of canning supplies around in most of the stores, so you got to get out there and you got to get looking. However, when I was out at Walmart the last time, they had a bunch of the smaller jars, you know, the little like gift jars and stuff, and the quilted jars and all those funny little things. They had tons of those. They actually had the Sure Gel, which they hadn't had for a while. They had quart jars, and they even had a couple of half gallons, but they didn't have extra rings. But right now, I do know for a fact that you can get some really cool rings off of Amazon, and it's a fairly quick delivery. There is the Tattlers, and I just got a bunch of those. And then there are some other companies, which can't come to mind right now, but you probably know all about them if you're following any of the canning channels like Mouse Toes or Rebel Canners. And they talk about the different brands of canning lids that are out there, which ones you can use and which ones you want to stay away from. But I got a list here of a couple more things you need to check on. All right, so for jars and stuff, check around the garage sales, the estate sales. These are areas where you can pick up some extra jars that are actually good quality jars that are the old school jars that people aren't using anymore. And the grandparents have passed away and the kids have no idea what they have, and they're just giving the stuff away. So check out your estate sales and stuff to get the stuff. Canner parts. So whether you have a pressure canner or just water bath canners, make sure you have extra parts in case something breaks, whether it's the rubber gasket on the pressure canner or the jiggler, the bobbler, whatever you want to call the weight on top that jiggles around. Make sure you have a spare one just in case it grows legs on you. One of the kids walks off with it or something. Paraffin wax, if you're making jams and jellies and you're using the ones with the glass lids that fold over and lock down, paraffin wax for your in there as well. And if you're using the food saver to can some of your stuff, it's not actually canning, it's more like bagging, but the food savers for freezing stuff, make sure you have all the supplies you need for the food savers. All righty. And I think that covers just about everything here on my list. I talked about jars, lids, rings, Sure Gel, canner parts, food saver, paraffin wax. Okay. So if you can think of anything else, put comments down below there. Remind everyone else here what anything I might have forgotten to remind everybody about. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.